So, hi everyone, my name is Evgeny and welcome to my new channel called Race Someday. Here I'll be building a race car, or not a race car, but mostly track car, maybe a few of them, and then race them on the track. But before telling about myself and the car standing behind me, I would like to say huge thanks to the team and the owner of this track, or maybe owners of this track, who let me in and make all this possible. So yeah, huge thanks, I really appreciate it. And if you who currently watching this video want to have some really nice karting experience, I strongly recommend you to come here and have fun on this really nice track. And of course I will put a link to their website to the description. So now a little bit about myself. 5 years ago, after years of driving cars on the track days and time attack events, I was finally ready to make dream come true, to build a race car and to join wheel-to-wheel racing. And I bought a Civic, 4th generation, which called EF. It's an older version and more boxy version of this one, but underneath they mostly the same. And the goal was simple. To build a race car by myself, mostly with some help from my dad and from some friends. And actually we did it, we built it and raced it in time attack events and also of course wheel-to-wheel racing. We took second places twice, and yeah, it wasn't a fast car, however it was really reliable and really cheap to run and easy to drive. It had light plastic body panels, a custom front subframe, D16A9 twin cam, no VTEC engine, and it made around 160 PS. Also, of course, it had a proper roll cage and all the safety parts. But then life changed. Me and my family decided to move to another country, to start everything from the scratch, and of course we sell everything we had, including Civic. And now, almost after 3 years of living here, I finally feel more or less comfortable to start a new project. And here it is, my new Honda Civic EG. Fun fact, my first car was actually also Civic EG3, just like this one. And EG3 stands for the small D13B2 engine, no power steering, no power mirrors, no power windows, so no other extras. So super basic car, which is kind of good base for the race car actually. I was really happy to see so similar car in sale, especially with such a good body condition. If I would do it by myself, it would cost a lot of money and a lot of time, so thanks to the previous owner. So the downsides, this car started as an EG3 as I already said, and that means there is nothing in the car, and even to install the sway bars, I need to change the lower arms. Same with the power steering, so which requires to change the whole subframe. But at least it's already have D15B2 engine, and the wiring is also a bit changed, as well as the fuel lines and the fuel tank. Otherwise I've needed to change them. So all this makes easier to add the VTEC and even swap it to the B series engine. Now it still uses the kind of carburetor setup, more modern, but it has only one injector for all 4 cylinders. The power wise, it has 1.5 liter engine with 90 PS, and it's possible to increase power to 130 just with some bolt-ons. And if you're not familiar with the Honda engines, there were 2 engine models in the Civic of that era, the D series from 1.3 to 1.6, which made from 60 to 130 PS, and of course legendary B16, which also 1.6 but with the VTEC and twin cam head, it made around 160-170 PS. D series is simple and reliable, B series is more powerful but also heavier and more expensive. I would love to have B series here, but I'm totally fine with building the D series engine. This car already has a few good upgrades. It's AP coilovers, rear disc brakes and 15-inch wheels with non-conk and S2 tires. The plan is to prepare this car to the German Time Attack Championship and join the Pocket Rocket class, hopefully in the end of the next season. So why Time Attack? I don't know the racing scene here in Germany very well, and Time Attack is a good way to start. It costs about the same as the track day, but it gives more fun because of the competition. And of course I would love to go back racing wheel to wheel, but I'm just not ready for that yet. So first steps, install the 6-point roll cage, upgrade the brakes, improve the suspension, and only after that I'll focus on the engine and the gearbox. I'm not sure yet if I'll keep the D series engine, which I know so well, or swap it to the B16, but I'll definitely stay with the 1.6 liter engine because of the regulations of Pocket Rocket class. So what do you think? Should I stay with D series or swap it to the B16? So let me know in the comments. Anyway, there is a long way ahead, but that's a fun part of building a track or race car. I will share everything with you, the good moments, the challenges I would have. If you like DIY builds, real track driving and honest stories, please subscribe, leave some comments and click thumbs up button. Thanks for watching and see you soon.